Humans aren't the only animals that menstruate. This cycle, often seen as uniquely human, is shared by a few other species. Menstruation involves shedding the uterine lining when pregnancy doesn't occur, a cycle of preparation and renewal. We'll explore 5 extraordinary animals that experience this cycle, connecting us through shared biology. This journey reveals surprising connections that bind all life on Earth. From primates to desert rodents, menstruation extends beyond our species, showcasing life's intricate design. In Central Africa's forests, our closest relatives, chimpanzees, share over 98% of our DNA. Female chimpanzees have a cycle similar to ours, lasting about 37 days. Hormones orchestrate the thickening of the uterine lining, preparing for potential new life. If pregnancy doesn't occur, the lining is shed, marking the cycle's end. Chimpanzees experience overt menstruation, a visible sign of this process. This shared trait highlights our deep evolutionary connection. Observing chimpanzees is like glimpsing our distant past. It underscores that reproduction and renewal are part of a larger story of life on Earth. This connection speaks of a common ancestor and shared evolutionary journey. The fundamental processes of life are not exclusively ours, but part of a larger, interconnected story. It's a reminder of our shared ancestry and parallel journeys. On Africa's savannas, baboons live in complex societies where the female's cycle is a public affair. Overt menstruation signals her readiness to mate, influencing social dynamics. Hormonal changes drive this process, similar to humans and chimpanzees. As ovulation nears, her rump swells, signaling fertility to dominant males. This swelling communicates health and viability, affecting courtship. The cycle of bleeding and swelling is a public rhythm for the troop. It's a fascinating adaptation of biology to social strategies. In Borneo and Sumatra's rainforests, the solitary orangutan navigates a quiet reproductive cycle. Her cycle, lasting about 29 days, mirrors the human cycle. Encounters with males are rare, making her body's preparation an act of optimism. If pregnancy doesn't occur, the uterine lining is shed discreetly. This private moment is rarely witnessed, a silent renewal in solitude. The orangutan's reproductive system is a piece of our shared evolutionary puzzle. Despite different lifestyles, the mechanics of reproduction remain conserved. The solitary cycle is a reminder of life's shared rhythms across species. In arid deserts, the spiny mouse challenges our understanding of menstruation. Once thought exclusive to primates, this rodent menstruates, a landmark discovery. Their 9-day cycle mirrors the fundamental process of uterine shedding. This finding offers a new model for studying menstrual disorders. The spiny mouse provides a natural window into this complex event. Its existence raises evolutionary questions about menstruation's history. Did it evolve independently, or is it an ancient trait lost in most mammals? This tiny creature connects us to a broader biological narrative. Old World monkeys, including baboons and macaques, share menstruation as a common feature. The rhesus macaque cycle is well studied, revealing similarities to humans. Their cycles show diverse social signals, from dramatic swellings to subtle cues. This variety integrates the menstrual cycle into different social contexts. Overt menstruation is a deeply rooted trait in this primate lineage. It evolved in a common ancestor and has been retained. This shared heritage provides context for understanding our biology. We are part of a continuum, navigating life with this rhythm of renewal. Menstruation, though rare, is shared by chimpanzees, baboons, orangutans, spiny mice, and Old World monkeys. From solitary orangutans to public baboons, this process is woven into their lives. It reminds us that our biological narratives are part of a larger story. This journey reveals the intricate connections that bind us. Understanding shared cycles deepens our appreciation for evolution's complexity. It encourages us to see similarities and recognize shared biology. The world is full of surprises waiting to be discovered.